coming up with a series of becoming an unprejudiced observer. Every homeopath wants to be successful in the practice of curing the sick to health. But what are the qualities a physician should have so that we become successful in our practice? All the students who come to us, they all demand that we also want to have a lavish practice. We also want all the luxuries in life. But can they be achieved without any pains? Any gain is not without a pain. So friends, even Hahnemann sir has demanded few qualities of a physician which he needs to develop in the course of time, and those qualities he has mentioned in the initial part of Organon of Medicine. He has mentioned clearly because he is a German scientist. So his words are very prompt, and the way he talks is with a very selective language. In aphorism number 1, he has beautifully mentioned that it is physician's high and only mission is to cure the sick to health. So why he has mentioned high and only mission over here? He could have used the terminologies like profession, or it's a moral duty or a responsibility of a physician to cure the sick to health. But he has mentioned high and only because he demands that when we become a homeopath, we are on the mission to cure the sick to health. We here are demanded to give your full efforts, full concentration, full devotion and dedication towards homeopathy. But beyond that, first thing what I feel is you should have that firm trust into homeopathy, the firm trust into your father of homeopathy. Yes, whatever he is trying to say, we might not understand today in complete words, but whatever he wants to say, we will definitely promise that we will bring that into our life and we will practice in that way the path which he has laid upon. Only then, when you're following the cardinal principles, when you're following the rules and disciplines he has laid for the physician, only then success is possible. There is no shortcut to success. You have to work for each case. You have to devote yourself. The qualities what a physician is being demanded, the first thing is that gratitude you should have towards homeopathy, the gratitude towards your stalwarts that they have brought this divine science to us, and the firm belief and trust into homeopathy. And when you have that trust, you will be a blind follower and you will give beautiful results. But without that, half-hearted efforts will never give you a successful stories. So if you have to be a successful homeopath, stay tuned with me and we will be coming up with those qualities and how to imbibe those qualities within you.